What's up guys, welcome to the video. Camilla and I are excited to bring you the Vantop Moment 4 4K action camera. It's pretty awesome. It comes in at under $100 and we're going to check it out in this video and let me know what you guys think. As always, I'm Greg with PizzlesTechTime. Let's get into the video. What's going on guys, my name's Greg and today we're going to be looking at the Vantop Moment 4 4K action camera. This thing comes in with quite a splash, under $100. Quickly go over the accessories. We've got helmet strap, tripod adapter, bicycle handlebar strap, cable ties, cleaning cloth and extra adhesive pads, long connector and short connector, Surface J-hook buckle, and helmet mount, 32GB SD card, second helmet mount, one extra battery, short connector, 360-degree adapter, Velcro straps, very detailed instruction manual, the camera itself with waterproof housing. And we also have the 2.4 GHz remote and folding backpack. Okay guys, so the camera inside the waterproof housing still functions. You can still press the power on button. The camera will power on. The touchscreen will not function inside this device. And if you want to open it right here, you just slide it this way. And just slide it that way. And flip it open like so. Camera will pop out. And you can very quickly change it from video to photo. Very nice looking camera, as you can see. Nice carbon fiber look in the front. Up top here we have power and photo or record. So if I hold that power button, it's going to power it down. And this is the 2.4-inch touchscreen. Very nice, very easy to use. You can simply turn off the microphone by clicking right here, and you can switch between modes like this. And as you can see here, these are all the modes of the camera. Video, photo, motion detection, dash cam, video lapse, slow motion, photo lapse, and burst mode. Now this camera features wireless connection with your phone via the Cam King app, which I will overlay over the screen right now. You can transfer your images using the Cam King application. If the camera does not have Wi-Fi on yet, it's very simple to turn on. All you have to do is hold the shutter button for 3 seconds. And now we know Wi-Fi is on, so what we're going to do is go into our settings for Wi-Fi. And we are going to connect to Cam King. And we are connected. And then you've got settings right here to record video or to take photos. So if we want to record video, just press that right there. And we're right here, guys. We are recording video. Now, the only thing with the application is, as far as I can see, you can only use 1080p. So right here we have the 2.4-inch touchscreen. And as you can see, it works very well. Very easy to switch between pictures and photos. And also get into your settings. Now that's awesome. Very easy to use, guys. And the different resolutions this camera supports: 4K 24 FPS, 2K 30 FPS, 1080p 60 FPS, 1080p 30 FPS, 720p 120 FPS. Wow. Let's just take a look at this and see what that looks like. This is 720p. I'm here recording in front of the Vantop Moment 4. Yeah, good girl. Yeah. Are you looking for a treat because you scratched that a couple times? Okay, here's some footage I took in 4K Photolapse mode. Hope you guys enjoy. And next is just some 4K footage I took.
I like little pumpkins.
So I've been using this 4K action camera for about a week now. And for the most part, it works pretty well. There's a few things that I'd like to talk to you guys about. When using the camera, certain settings and certain features with the camera tend to make the image look worse. The electronic image stabilization, I don't think they've got it quite down, because when I turn it on, the camera seems to granulate and get pixelated. Now, the 4K 24 hertz, that's awesome that a little tiny camera like this can do 4K. A long time ago, it wouldn't have been possible. But when using this camera and comparing it, I know you shouldn't compare it with the GH5 or my 4K webcam or my cell phone, which also does 4K. It just doesn't really stack up in my eyes. The image quality includes a lot of grain and there's some distortion. I have tried to mitigate the issue through settings and I haven't had much luck. But I've got to say, for the price, it's still not a bad camera. If I was saving up the money though, I would probably save up my money and buy a GoPro. And that's just my honest opinion, but if you don't have the money, this gives you a 4K picture, it records audio, it also does 1080p 60 frames a second, so it's definitely not a bad product, and I want to thank Vantop for sending it out to me. But that does not mean that it's going to sway my review. Now, while using this camera, I've seen some footage of some other GoPro-like cameras, and I've also been watching Casey Neistat's video with the new GoPro, and I'm not sure if maybe I've got a bad camera or this particular camera just has some distortion to it. There is no way to adjust the exposure when you're shooting video with this camera, which is a little bothersome when I'm seeing that grain. They do have a camera mode called low light mode, but I really don't think it's affecting ISO or anything like that. But with this particular camera, it has so many settings, I would definitely need to be able to change my ISO down really low to make sure that's not the reason I'm getting grain. But someone that's as obsessed with resolution as I am, I can't really put a stamp on it and say it's really pulling its weight. So that's about all I gotta say, guys. If you'd like to purchase the camera, the link will be in the description. And thank you, Vantop, for sending this out for me to test. Have a great day, guys. Peace.
Let's